She was building this building the day she died, and it is so important to everyone because it's the last one that has her focus. It's an incredible sculpture to the city of Miami, not just a big building. My name is Hernan Arriaga. I've been working as an interior designer for the last 20 years, working for developers like this one, and that creates the most incredible buildings. I've been very lucky to have this chance. I try to make it with the best of the best. Luxury living represents basically the leading companies in the world. Every single piece is made to the space. When I invited the team from VELUM to become a part of the project, I invited them because I knew their product was unique, something that was going to leave a stamp in my project.
My name is Russ. I'm a founder and the CEO of VELUM Design. VELUM Design specializes in ceilings and custom lighting. We have worked in different types of projects. When you're creating a unique ceiling and lighting design, you look at it as a piece of art, something that's gonna grab attention, this special place, and everybody gonna walk into the unit and say, wow.